Welcome back, Friends Farm Spring CSA members. Let's unpack what's in week 1 of your Spring CSA box. Salad mix, mixed greens, spring onion, bok choy, a potted herb of your choice, hearth bread and eggs, and rhubarb. Now, if you're not sure what to do with some of these vegetables, let's start with rhubarb. If you're like me and challenged with time or kitchen skills, anybody can do this. Just chop up the rhubarb, cook it in a saucepan with a little water, add some sugar to taste, and you have a nice little spring side dish or breakfast topping. You could use it the same way as you would applesauce. Bok choy is a Chinese cabbage. It has a very nice mild flavor, super easy to add into stir fries. My favorite ways to use it are to put it in my breakfast eggs or tofu scramble. You can also slice it up and throw it into soup or ramen. Our mixed greens this week will be a mix of chard, spinach, and kale. You can eat these raw also, or you can cook them up. If you just slice them thinly, you can just put them on hot steamed rice and the steam will cook it for you. Spring onions, you can dice them up, keep them in a container. They'll keep nicely in the fridge, so you can just sprinkle them on top of whatever you're eating if you need a little garnish. You can also roast them, sprinkle them with salt for a really nice side dish, and simple and fast. And as always, the farm market is always open for self-service. We'll have heirloom tomatoes, including brandy wines and pineapple. We have a variety of meats, fresh baked goods, local honey, maple syrup, and a lot more. If you want to come in, check it out, bring your mask, and we'll see you at the farm.